active on the platform where your audience live. You need to put brand where they can find you easily rather than expecting them to seek you. Consistent posting schedule. Create a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your audience engaged. Post short videos. Embrace social SEO. Help to increase your visibility on the social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Use data sophisticated. Social media collaboration and processes. Leverage. Issue with this is that sometimes they just give you a random blog post that they find on the search engine of Bing. So it's not like they're giving you the best source possible, right? They're giving you just whatever they find. Whereas with Bart AI is giving you like the most credible because they're using Google ratings, right?